Hey, I got a new tripod. Want to see?
Well, whether you want to see or not, too bad. I'm going to show it to you anyway. So, this was my old tripod slash selfie stick. Had some issues with it. Mostly the issue was when I would put it from selfie stick to tripod mode. This couldn't go very high before it would start tipping over unless I braced it. So what actually happened was I ended up losing this. Turned out it was in my work laptop bag for some weird reason. So I went out and purchased this. This has got a much better tripod to it, which is kind of ironic because I'm filming this with my hand instead of the tripod, and it's a video about tripods. So it's got a much more stable base, and it has a removable selfie stick. So then the selfie stick, when you want to go back to tripod mode, put it in there, turn it, and screws down onto that bolt right there. So this will be much more stable when I do reviews. We'll be able to get better angles and it won't fall over as much, so hopefully the video production will be a lot better. Now I'm still not going to go all crazy with the tripod and selfie stick stuff. You know, I've been doing it a little bit before, but I'm not going to go crazy, you know, where I put down the tripod and I walk and then I come back and get it. I'm not going to be doing any of that still, but it's nice to have something that's going to be more stable. So just a quick look at a nice little upgrade I got going. So hopefully we'll see videos with that starting pretty soon. Hopefully I can get back outside pretty quickly. I had some issues with a pretty nasty broken toe. I mean, it wasn't just normal broken, it was like spiderweb broken all over and around the backside joint. Anyway, you don't want to hear all that. It was gross, but I can finally start hopefully getting back out there soon. So thanks for watching. Get outside, enjoy life. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family every little bit.